Hello dear traders, it's Petko Aleksandrov from EA Forex Academy, and in this video I will show you with an example where we take the take profit. So basically, once we are into the trade on H1 chart, we have the break, we enter. What we need is M15 and we are looking at the MACD. So what we are looking right now is we are looking at the bars of the MACD. I will zoom it so you will see better. So I'm in this trade GBPN, and then I will zoom it and I have the MACD. So basically, as you can see, these bars are almost equal, and then open. This is a little bit smaller, just a little bit smaller, but then we have an obvious smaller bar. So when the next bar open, just like it opened right now, I will take my profit and I will close the position. I have here left two small trades, but I took my profit over here. So what we are looking at is MACD on M15 chart. All right, the bars are going up, and then what I have is this bar that is almost equal, or is just a little bit smaller. So I'm not sure really in this case, is it smaller or is it equal? So let's say it's equal. All right, and then I see a smaller bar. All right, I wanna enter when this bar is confirmed, and this bar is confirmed when the next one is open, and I'm sure that this bar is smaller. So as you can see, the volatility is not very high anymore, and then we have a negative bar which forms the smaller bar on MACD, and then I am having the next bar on the open. I close the position. All right, so this actually matches with the cross of MACD, but I will show you just with some example, just somewhere on the price, that the bars are much more effective and much more quicker. So if you see this movement up, if you're in this trade, all right, you can see here this bar is smaller. So I'm waiting the opening of the next one, which will confirm that this bar is smaller, and I will exit on the opening of this bar right here. All right, as you can see, the cross comes not here, but it's here, probably here, but it's a little bit of repeating, as you know, the MACD indicator. So cross would be confirmed right here, as you can see, much lower. So basically I would have my profit on the opening of this bar, and as you can see, here is down low. So what's the difference? Let's say in this case, if you exit on the first bar that is confirmed, so it's not this one but this one, okay, smaller bar, we wait the opening of the next one, so it's right here. This is at 145.60, and if I exit on the cross, in this case is 145.47, so it's 13 pips difference, guys. That's not small. All right, and then let's go back to the live example that we had. And once again, we are waiting for a smaller bar, and then on the opening of the next one, we exit, we take our profit. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have safe trading. Cheers. Bye.